Hi, friends. So, as you all know, in today's global scenario, various individuals, various companies need to make foreign payment for various purposes. So, for this foreign payments, certain documents is required to be given to the bank for foreign payment. So, these are the list of the documents required for foreign payment. Form A2, as per the RBI requirement of foreign payment, agreement copy, invoice or performa invoice as the case may be, Form 15 CACB, and for claiming the benefit of double taxation avoidance agreement, Form 10F no P certificate and tax residency certificate, and any other document to confirm the genuineness of transaction. So for this Form 15 CACB, this is the requirement of Income Tax Act, Indian Income Tax Act, uh, according to which Form 15 CACB is required in case the uh, transaction is required to deduct tax as per the provisions of Income Tax Act. So, in case the provisions transaction is not required to deduct Income Tax Act, then Form 15 CACB is not required. So, these are the 33 transactions under Rule 37BB of the Income Tax Rules on for which 15 CACB is not applicable. Some of these are Indian investment abroad in equity shares, debt, securities, and some for like medical treatment. If you are giving loan to non-resident, travel for medical treatment, postal services, travel for education. So these are a list for which no 15 CACB is required. And in case 15 CA is required, Form 15 CACB is required. So Form 15 CA is to be filled by yourself, and 15 CB is to be filled by a practicing chartered accountant. So there are four parts of Form 15 CA: Part A, Part B, Part C, and Part D. Part A is required in case your remittance is does not exceed 5 lakh rupees, and in case if it exceeds 5 lakh rupees, then Part B and Part C may be required. So Part B is for the amount exceeds 5 lakh rupees, and an order certificate under section 195 subsection 2, 195 subsection 3, 197 of the income taxes is acquired from the AO for nil rate or lower rate certificate. है ना? And for part C, amount exceeds 5 lakh rupees and a certificate in Form 15 CB is obtained. And part D, in case the remittance is not taxable, uh, then part D is required. And there is also penal provisions for non-complying with the Form 15 CACB. So you may get a penalty of rupees 1 lakh under section 271I of the Income Tax Act in case you fails to furnish Form 15 CACB or files inaccurate information in Form 15 CACB. So file your Form 15 CACB wisely. You know? Thank you.